Adam, and this is Chrissy. And today we're talking about how we can use Dr. K Kinesiology Tape to help with groin pain. So there's a few different causes of groin pain. It could be something such as an adductor muscle strain or possibly an adductor tendon injury. It's also quite common to get groin pain in this area as a result of osteitis pubis, and this particular technique can be used to help to support each of these conditions. The position for this particular taping technique, we want to ensure that the adductor muscles on a stretched position. So that usually means having your leg in an open position, so with your thigh rotated outwards. And we're going to measure a piece of tape that runs from the inside of your thigh down the length, about maybe 2/3, 3/4 of the way, being aware that the thigh is actually, we're going to lengthen the tape beyond what the paper backing allows it. So we're going to measure something along that line. We're going to cut our corners off to prevent peeling. So we're going to fold and tear along our fold and peel back just a little bit to expose the base of our tape for our base application. We'll let Chrissy take over from here. And we're going to put the base of our tape quite high up on that little muscular portion of your adductor in that area. Give it a rub to make it stick properly. And we're going to peel back our paper most of the way. Apply about 50% tension along the line of the tape. Yep. And then leave the last little bit without any tension. And we're going to measure another piece to run horizontally across the area of pain. So in some instances with this adductor taping, the area of pain is actually quite high up on the bony area. You still can use this type of a horizontal unloading piece, but just put it on a little bit back down away from the area because it's quite hard to access. So we can tear in the middle and fold back our pieces to expose the centre. Chrissy can take over from here. And we want to try and get it sort of as high as we feel comfortable, I guess, on that fleshy part of the inside of your thigh. And we're going to pull about 75% tension, apply over the area and stick down, allowing those edges to flow back without any tension. So with any kinesiology taping application, we want to make sure the tape stays on. So preventing rolling when you're dressing and peeling when you're showering. So obviously padding dry with towels. In a sporting context, it's often helpful to wear some sort of compressive shorts over the top to help keep the tape on more effectively. When it comes to adductor or groin pain, there are quite a lot of different reasons why you can get groin pain, and it's particularly important to have that evaluated and assessed properly rather than embarking on your own self-management process without any sort of advice or education. Treatment techniques that are useful can be things like taping, core stability, strengthening activities, self-massage, icing, anti-inflammatories. They can all provide a role to help to rehabilitate these sorts of injuries. So for more information, just visit sportstrap.com.au.